Hello all, my name is Sonu Kumar and today I'm going to discuss about the linear equation in one variable. That is the one of the topic in the grade 8 that is the very important to understand. Okay, so let's start the sessions. Before going to start the session, let me write the name of the chapter, that is the linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Okay. See, what does mean by the linear equation in one variable? So, there is a some terms are there here. If you see carefully, there is a variable, there is the equation, there is a linear. Okay. So, what does mean by the variable? Variables means variables means it is just a symbol. It is a symbol. Their value is not fixed. Okay. For example, X, Y, or Z. I'm not able to write here. 1 minute. Yes. Okay. The value, it is just a symbol. Their value is not fixed. For example, X, Y, Z. Okay. These are the variables. Okay. There are so many variables are there. Variables means their value is always changed. Okay. You can say here value of variable always changed. Okay, I can say like this one also. Okay, so what I mean the variable we know that one variable means there is only one variable there. Okay, it is also now talking about the equation. Okay, what does mean by the equation? Equations means we can say that when two expression is equated to the equal sign, it's called the equation. Expressions means the combination of variable and constant. Okay, combination of variable and constant is called the equation. Expression. When two expression is equated to the equal sign, then it's called the equations. Okay, equations means when two expression equated to equal sign is called called equation and equation. Okay. For example, we know the variable x, y, z and constant is we already know that their value is always constant. The combination of variable and constant is called the equation. It is very easy to understand. There is a equal sign is also there. There is a one variable means either the x or y or z. Okay, this type of the variable is considered. Generally, we are going to discuss about the either x or y or z. So there are so many variables are there. Okay. Now talking about the linear, what does mean by the linear? Okay, linear means you can easily say that linear means the highest power of the variable. Okay, the highest power of the variable is one is called the linear. Okay, the highest power or exponent. Okay, exponent of variable is equal to 1. Okay, so there are three conditions. Okay, linear equation in one variable. First is that there is a one variable, there is a one equal sign, second condition, and third is the highest power of the variable is 1. It's called the linear equation in one variable. Let's discuss the conditions. Okay, these are the conditions you have to write here. I'm writing in the shortest form so that we can easily understand what does mean by the yes. See, in page number 2, we are going to discuss about the condition for the linear equation in one variable. Let me change the color. Okay. Condition for linear equation in one variable. Okay, what are the conditions? There are three conditions. Condition number one. This is the condition number one. What is the condition number one? There is only one variable. An equation consists of only one variable. Only one variable. Okay, this is the first condition. Condition number second, you have to check in the given expression or equation. What you have to check in equation? Condition number two, there is a equal sign. Equal sign is also there. Okay, and condition number third, you have to check the highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, highest power of variable is equal to 1. These three conditions you have to check for the condition for the linear equation in one variable. There is only one variable, there is equal sign, and there is the highest power of the variable is 1. Okay, let's check by the help of the some examples. Example number one. I'm writing an equation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. It is a linear equation, one variable now. So first of all, you have to check the linear one variable is there or not. This here 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Means 2 is constant, 3 is constant, 7 is constant. Here x is variable. It means there is a one variable on. Now equal sign, yes, equal sign is also there. Second condition is satisfied. Highest power of the variable, if you see here x is written. It means x raised to 1 I can write here. Okay, it means I can say that here highest power of the variable is also 1. It means this is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, now talking about the second example. 5y minus 9 is equal to 70. Tell me, this is the linear equation in one variable or not? So first of all, you have to check the how many variables are there. If you see, there is only one variable, that is the y. Okay, this is the condition is satisfied. Now talking about the equal sign, yes, equal sign is also there here. You can see, yes, equal sign is also there. Now talking about the highest power of the variable, here y is given. It means you can write y raised to 1. Okay, it means here y raised to 1, high power of the variable is also 1. It means this is also linear equation in one variable. Now talking about the example number, this is also true. Okay, this is the also linear equation in one variable. Now talking about the third example. 5z minus 3 by 2 is equal to 7 by 9. It is the linear equation in one variable or not. Okay, so we have to just think it like this one. How many variables are there? If you see carefully, there are only one variable z is there. Okay, this is satisfied. Now, how many equal sign is there? Yes, there is equal sign is also there. Now talking about the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable, z is called z raised to 1. Yes, z raised to 1. We can set it. Yes, high power of the variable is 1. So we can set this is also linear equation in one variables. Okay. Now we are able to understand what does mean by the linear equation in one variable. The topic indicate an equation consists of one variable and high power of the variable is 1. It's called the linear equation in one variable. And condition you have also discussed. There are three conditions. One is there is only one variable, there is equal sign, and the high power of the variable is 1. Now talking about the solutions of the linear equation in one variable. Let me change the slide. Slide number 3. Okay. Now we are going to talking about the solution for the linear equation. Solution of linear equation in one variable. Okay, see what do I mean by the solution? Solutions means the value of the variable that can satisfy the equations. Okay, we can say that solutions means finding the value of the variable. Okay, finding the value of variable. Okay, this means solution of the variable. Solution of the linear equation in variable means finding the value of the variable. How we can find the variable? Let's see here. If I'm writing an equation here, 2x plus 3 is equal to, I'm writing 7. Okay. So what we can put the value of the x in this equation so that LHS is equal to RHS. If you see carefully, there is an equal sign. There is an equal sign. And the right side of the equal sign is called the RHS. And left side of the equal side is called the LHS. Okay. So here we can say that the LHS is equal to 2x plus 3, RHS is equal to 7. Okay. So what we can put here at a place of the x so that we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. So what we can put the value of the x so that we are getting the LHS is equal to RHS. You have to think it. If I put 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, 5. Oh my God. 5 is equal to not 7. If I 2 putting at a place of the 2x, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, 6. Sorry, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. Yes, 7 is equal to 7. It means here, when we are putting the x is equal to, when we put x is equal to 2, then LHS is equal to RHS. It means x is equal to 2 is the solution of the given equations. But how we can think like this one if the complex equation is given? Okay, we can't think it. Okay, so for it we can do flow some instruction by the given some rule. Okay, there are two methods are there to find the solution of the linear equation in one variable. First one is the we can say that the first one is the balancing method, and second one is the transposition method. Okay, we discuss one by one this method. Okay, we know that x is equal to 2 is the right answer of this question. So how we can find by the help of the transposition method and balancing method, we are going to discuss one by one in these sessions. So let me change the slide. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the solution of the linear equation one variable, method number 1. This is the M1. Okay, method number 1. And method number 1 is called the balancing method. Okay, we are calling this one is the balancing method. Balancing method. Okay, in balancing method, whatever you are doing, the operation on the left side, same operation you have to do the right side also, and vice versa also. It means whatever you are doing the operation either side, either the left side, you have to do the same operation to the right side also. Okay, so that the balance is never disturbed. Okay, we know that there is a equal sign. There is a equal sign, and the left side of the equal side equal is called the left hand side, and right side of the equal side is called the right hand side. If you are doing the plus operation at the left side, you have to also do the plus operation to the right side. If you are doing the minus operation to the left side, you can understand better way by the help of the this one. See, if I add a plus a to the left side, you have to also add a to the right side also. If I subtract b from the left hand side, you have to also subtract the b from the right hand side. If I multiply by c to the left hand side, you have to also multiply the c by the right hand side. If I divide the LHS by the d, you have to also divide the RHS by the d. If you see carefully, same operation is performed on the both sides. If you want to add plus a, you have to also add the right side. If I want to subtract from the RHS minus b, you have to also subtract the b from the left hand side. Okay, the same operation is performed on the same both side. I'm writing here in the balancing method. What we are doing? Same operation is perform both sides at a time. Okay, means we have to perform the same operation on the both side, and you can perform the any operation first time. No, first of all you have to analyze the equation. Is there any term is plus or minus? You have to first of all eliminate the plus or minus. It means you have to first of all perform the plus or minus operations. Okay, after settling down this operation, we can perform either the multiplication or division operation on the both sides. The priority of this one is the first one, addition and subtraction, and second one is the multiplication and division. We can understand better way by the help of the examples. Let's see an example so that we can easily understand. I'm adding here, yes. What are the question in the previous? 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. I'm taking the same example here in the slide number 5. See here. Example. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Here, 2, 3, and 7 are constant, x is variable. Okay, this is called the linear equation in variable. There is the equal sign are there, one variable is there, and highest power of the variable one. That's why you can say this is the linear equation in variable. Now talking about the solution of this equation, how we can solve. See, there is the constant term, left side is there also, plus 3 and plus 7. We can either eliminate the plus 3 here. Okay, I want to find the value of the x. We are interested to find the value of the variable that is the x, and x is there in these 2x. So first of all, you want to remove the plus 3. So what we can operation do? We can subtract the 3 from the both side. Okay, so that plus 3 and minus 3 is cancelled out. Okay, so what we can do? We are doing the operation subtracting 3 from both sides. It means you are doing the same operation on the both side, minus 3. Okay, I can write here. What you can write here? See, I am writing 2x plus 3 is given. We are subtracting 3. I can write minus 3 here. Plus 7 is there. Minus 3 you are subtracting. See here, you are performing the same operation, minus 3. It means the LHS and RHS are same. There is no disturbance in the LHS and RHS. Okay. Now we can easily see that here plus 3 and minus 3 is cancel out, means 0. Okay. What are the remaining part here? Left side 2x. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now I want to find the value of the x, but here is written 2x. How we can find the value of x? It means you have to apply the another operation. If I divide both sides by 2 to cancel out, you are a remainder here, remaining part is x. You can easily find the value of the x. So what we can do here, we can perform the subdivision operation. Okay, division by 2, or you can say the divide the equation both sides by, okay, so I can write here 2 into x. I can write here 2 into x means 2x means 2 into x. We are dividing by 2. Now here 4 divided by 2. It means you are doing the same operation. Here in the first step you are subtracting 3 from the both side. Now we are dividing the 2 by both side. These 2 and these 2 are cancelled out in the numerator and denominator here. Here 2 2 ja 4. So we are remaining part here, left side x and right side is 2. It means our answer is 2. Okay, so we are discussing the balancing method. It means you are performing the same operation on the both side. Okay, now talking about the second method, that is the method number 2, is the transposition method. Okay, or you can say that in this method we are transforming the term left side to the right side to the left side. Okay, I'm writing here method number 2. This is called the transposition method. The transposition method. Okay. In this method, what we are doing, we are transforming the term. Plus is going to the right side, minus is going to the left side. What sign is changed? We are going to discuss. Okay. In transposition method, see here, there is a equal sign. And left side of the LHS equal sign is the LHS, and right side of the equal is the RHS. Okay. In transposition method, you are transforming the term one side to another side. Which term you can transfer? You have to keep in mind that you have to transfer in such way variable become on one side and constant become the another side. Okay, it means, let me write here, transfer the variable terms one side and constant term to another side. Okay, this is the you have to keep in mind while solving the problems related to the linear equation one variable. In transposition method, what we are going to do, transfer the term, okay, variable one side and constant on one side. Okay, we are discussing one by one how we can transfer. First of all, you have to see there is a plus term are there in the left hand side. Plus is given. Okay, it is going to the right side, it will become the minus. Okay, if minus sign is there in the left side, it will going to the right side, it will become the plus. Okay, similarly, if minus sign is there in the right hand side, it will come back to the left hand side, it will become the plus. Okay, this plus. If plus is there right side, it will be coming to the left hand side, it will become the minus. Same thing when the addition, multiplication and division case. When multiplication is term is there in the left hand side, it will going to the right side, it will become the division. If division is there, it is going to the right side, it will become the multiplication. And this converse of this one. If subtraction is division is there in the right hand side, it will go to the left hand side, it will become the multiplication. If division is there at the left hand side, if going to the right side, multiplication will become. If multiplication is there to the right hand side, if I want to transfer this term to the left hand side, it will become the division. Okay, same thing here. Plus become the minus, minus become the plus, plus become minus, minus become the plus. It is the first priority. Okay, you have to do the first priority. Now in the second priority, you have to, if multiplication is there, transfer after the transformation, it becomes the division. If division is there after the transformation, it will become the multiplication. This is the second. Okay, we can understand this concept transposition method by the help of the example. Same example I am going to discuss. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, by the help of the transposition method, we are getting the 2 is the right answer or not. Okay, let's see the example. So our main aim is that to solve the question better way. Okay, here the example 2x, sorry, 2x, not 2x. X, sorry, 2x, yes, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Let me see the, it is right or wrong. Here side. Yes, 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. Yes, I'm writing this same thing. Okay. Now, I want to transfer the constant one side and variable one side. There is only one variable, that is 2x. It is, I can put this one in the left side or right side. Okay, it is already left side, we can put left side. There is 3 and 7 are constant, we can put the another side of the equal to. I can shift this one to the right side. Okay, so what we can do here, see here, plus 7 is there, If plus 3 is going to the right side from the left side, it becomes the sign. You have to change the sign. Plus become the minus 3. 2x is already there. 2x. Now, 7 minus 3, 4. Here is 2 into x. Now, tell me everyone. Here, if you see carefully, I want to, first of all, you have to do the plus operation or minus operation by the shifting process. Okay, means transposition method. Now here, 2 is in the multiplication. If 2 is going to the right side, multiplication become division. So I can here write x, here 4. This multiplication, 2 is in the multiplication at the left hand side. It will be going to the right side. It will become the division. It means 2 to the 4. Means here x value is 2. It means by the help of the transposition method, we are also getting the same answer. That is the 2. Okay. So it's all about the linear equation in one variable. Okay. I hope all of you enjoy these sessions. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay, see you in the next session. Till now, bye bye everyone. Thank you so much. One more times. Okay, bye bye everyone.